the next technique we're going to work on is Sem Mao, and this isn't something I'd advocate at all trying in a combat situation. This is for more fun. This is an acrobatic technique to test yourself. And so an Au is, in Capoeira, is a cartwheel wheel. Now Sem Mao is about the hands. So it is an aerial cartwheel in sense, but it's actually a little different because your legs are more straight ahead slightly for kicking them. So on this we stand neutral stance. Basically what's happening is I want to change levels. Now a lot of people put their head really low. You don't have to go very low at first when you're learning this move. What I do is that when I dip my head down sideways and come over, this foot's coming up, okay? I want to kick that as hard as I can. Now as I kick that, I jump. Now that was a pathetic version of the move only because that's the way you're going to feel and probably look when you're starting off on this, okay? Is that you're bringing the first leg up, and as you jump, the other one follows. So if you're scared about this move, remember this is an amazing acrobatic technique to start off on because you can always put your hands down if you feel like you're going to crash, okay? Don't worry about your head going down low. Just keep it up and start to bring it low and start to bring your leg higher. And as your first leg comes up, you jump and land. Now one way that's going to help you to achieve this move is as you're doing it and you're feeling more comfortable, you look or spot at your opponent or someplace to spot so you know that your head is down and you're completing the move. At first, your body is going to be in the way of your vision because your legs are going to be lower. So that is Sem Mao. Hope you practice that, and we're going to move on to different variations of that.